Tired of relying solely on Twilio for your WhatsApp chatbot dreams? Dive into a world of flexible and cost-effective alternatives that unlock powerful automated conversations for your business. Step 1 to building your WhatsApp chatbot without Twilio is exploring no-code and low-code platforms. These intuitive tools, like ManyChat, Chatfuel, or Landbot, empower you to visually design conversational flows. Think of it like building with digital Lego bricks a circumflex euros. You connect different message types, button options, and branching logic without ever touching complex code. Step 2 involves understanding the underlying APIs and integration methods. Many of these platforms connect to WhatsApp through official business API providers that aren't Twilio. You'll essentially be signing up with them, going through a verification process for your business, and then connecting these providers to your chosen chatbot building tool. This often simplifies the technical heavy lifting considerably. Step 3 is about defining your chatbot's purpose and mapping out your customer journeys. What questions do your customers frequently ask? What tasks can your chatbot automate, like appointment booking or answering FAQs? Visually diagramming these conversations will be crucial for setting up your chatbot builder effectively. Step 4 is choosing the right platform for your needs. Consider the pricing structures, the ease of use for your team, and the specific features offered. Some platforms are excellent for small businesses with limited budgets, while others offer advanced analytics and integrations for larger enterprises. Do your research to find the perfect fit. Finally, Step 5 is testing and iterating. Deploy your chatbot, monitor its performance, and gather feedback. Just like any conversation, your chatbot can learn and improve by regularly reviewing interactions and refining your flows. You'll ensure your WhatsApp chatbot delivers exceptional automated customer experiences without the hefty dependence on a single provider.